What's going on YouTube? CJ here with the Trading Collective, an education-based community of traders, and today we're going to be going over VWAP, what it is and how to use it. First and foremost, if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, it helps the YouTube algorithm out a lot for getting our videos out there, and if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. What we do at the Trading Collective is we offer a full university as well as an algorithm to help you make better informed decisions when you're trading. So let's roll right into it. We're looking at Rocket on the 3-minute chart with regular candles. Actually, these are Heikinashi. These are regular candles. So VWAP, what it is, volume weighted average price. It's a lagging indicator, and it essentially takes all the closing prices during a given time period and draws a nice pretty line for you. And arguably, it's the most common indicator to use when you're trading. Super beneficial. So we're looking at Rocket here. We saw that it was parked around the 1750 mark for a while, popped up, and then came down and consolidated over here. So we're going to go to FX indicators, type in VWAP. Right there, it's a built-in, and we're going to show you what exactly that looks like. So here you're seeing this blue line, and it's trading around this blue line. It popped up and then fell around to this blue line and is now consolidating. That is the VWAP line. That's what it is. That's how you use it. So really, when you're looking to trade here, what you're looking for is a bounce off of VWAP. You're seeing it bounce. I'll show you right quick. You're seeing it bounce right here. You're seeing it bounce right here. You're seeing it bounce right here and then reject, and now it's consolidating over VWAP, which is bullish typically. So that's VWAP. That's what it is. That's how to add it. That's how to use it, how to trade accordingly. It's a very nice indicator to have added. I would recommend everybody always use VWAP so you can see how the price is relating to it. Stay safe, and yeah, you guys take care. If you have any questions, drop a comment, and come join us in trading. A lot of info on what we do and what we offer in the description down below. Take care, guys.